Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy using an easy method. First, after roasting your meat, carefully pour the pan drippings into a heat-proof jug. Allow the fat to separate and rise to the top. Skim off and discard all but about 2 tablespoons of the fat, leaving the flavorful meat juices behind. Now, place your roasting pan directly onto the stovetop over a medium heat. Next, we'll create our flavor base. Add 2 tablespoons of plain flour directly into the hot pan drippings. Whisk these ingredients together continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes. This process cooks out the raw flour taste and creates a roux. Keep whisking until the mixture turns a lovely light golden brown, ensuring a smooth consistency for your gravy. Now for the liquid. Gradually pour in 2 cups of hot stock or water, whisking constantly as you add it. This continuous whisking is crucial to prevent any lumps from forming, ensuring a silky smooth gravy. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 minutes. This allows the gravy to thicken beautifully and all the flavors to meld together. Finally, it's time to season your delicious gravy. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give it a quick stir and then taste it to ensure the seasoning is just right. Adjust as needed, perhaps a little more salt or pepper. Once perfected, your hot, homemade gravy is ready to be served immediately, enhancing any meal with its rich flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.